Good morning, students. My name is Praveen Motilal Bhagat. We are studying the subject of electronics. Now, yesterday you have seen that in the chapter that every source has internal impedance of the source. What is internal impedance? I explained yesterday. Internal impedance is the impedance in the source. I have yesterday explained you, and now we are taking the problems on this internal impedance today. So first, see example. Find the potential difference across terminals of electric circuits if source voltage is 10 volt, and internal impedance is 20 ohm. This internal impedance is 20 ohm. So this we have given this diagram. This EMF is E 10 volt, ZL internal impedance 20 ohm, and load ZL is equal to 480 ohm. See, E is equal to EMF, E is equal to EMF is equal to 10 volt. ZS internal impedance, this is internal impedance, it is 20 ohm. ZL load impedance, this is ZL load impedance. V is equal to V, this is potential difference terminal voltage, potential difference terminal voltage across this terminal, potential difference terminal voltage. So we have to calculate this potential difference across terminals of electric circuit. So first we will take formula. Capital E is equal to, we have the formula capital E is equal to, this capital E is equal to, it has 10 volt, capital V plus I, what is I current flowing through ZS, internal resistance ZS, I into resistance of this impedance, internal impedance, it is 20 ohm, means ZS. See, now we have to calculate the current, capital I, small I. We have to calculate the current I, current flowing through this circuit, current flowing through this internal impedance, and internal impedance is ZS. So first we have to take equation. Small I is equal to V, capital E, EMF is capital E, divided by both of resistors. These two resistors are in series, so ZS plus ZL, ZS plus ZL. Why this ZS plus this ZL? Because it is this resistance ZS and this resistance ZL are in series in the circuit. This is the complete circuit is there. In this circuit, this complete circuit is there. Now see how we calculate current I in this circuit in ZL. I is equal to capital E divided by ZS plus ZL. Now we what is E? E is equal to 10 volt. ZS is equal to 20 ohm plus ZL is equal to 480 ohm. What is the calculation is? 10 divided by 20 plus 480, 500. So 10 divided by 500 is equal to this 0 is calculated 5 means this one 0.2 0.02 ampere. Current ampere unit for current is ampere, so it is 0.02 ampere. Means 0.02 amperes means 20 milliamperes. This means it is equal to 20 milliampere. Why? Because if we 10 raised to minus 3, one point is comes from here, 1, 2 and 1 0, 3. So 10 20 milliampere is. Now we will put this value in this equation. Now see, capital V is equal to 10 volt plus small I 10 to 0.02 amp into ZS. What is ZS is there? 20 ohm. 20 ohm. Now what is the calculation of this? 10 plus 0.4 10 plus 0.4 10.4 volt. Voltage across this is capital. Sorry. We have to calculate this capital V. So V is equal to, we have come here, I we have calculate. After calculate I, we have to calculate capital V. Because we have given E and I and ZS. So capital V is equal to capital E minus I into ZS. Capital E is equal to 10 volt minus small I 0.02 ampere into ZS. ZS is 20 ohm. We get 10 minus 20 means 0.4 or 0.4. 10 minus 0.4. What is this equation? What is this calculation in? 9.6 volt. 9.6 volt. So we get the terminal voltage V in, find the potential difference of the terminals of electric circuit. Means we get V is equal to 9.6 volt. So in this way, this is the internal impedance of the source.